Something burned bottom of my Instant Ace Plus blender. I'm hoping that this will work, and what will happen is that when I make stuff that I can just do this and it will take care of the problem for me. Otherwise, my husband's going to start tearing things apart. Hand sanitizer. You start off with a clean Instant Plus blender.
See previous video if yours is not clean.
And those are whole tomatoes.
Yep. You could use the secret red thing to get it all out.
I'm going to attempt something that I have never done before. Vegetable soup. Of course, we know that first thing that it has to do is come up to temperature. I think that I should do a comment poll. Who thinks this vegetable soup is going to burn the bottom of my Ace Plus blender?
Could use a little celery. Is that the oven?
Yeah, you might be able to pull that off. You need help unboxing it?
I do not need help unboxing it. As we scroll over here and see me having trouble unboxing it, that would be funny, right?
So, what made you think about a frozen pizza?
Well, I was watching, it's a southern thing.